state and county elections fast approaching, candidates for Jackson County Sheriff are weighing in on community issues during a public forum. Stephanie Poole sat in on the debate. She joins us now with more.
John Ledbetter, Louis Miller, Robbie O'Brien, and Robert Blockard answered questions ranging from engagement with citizens, mental health for officers, and diversity and inclusion in Sheriff's Office. Another topic is how they plan to tackle the volume of crime following a car break-in at a home in Van Cleve.
You got to put the manpower out there to hunt them down, hold them accountable for what they're doing, and also the manpower is if they're seeing units in the neighborhoods on a regular basis, it'll put your burglars in another county.
O'Brien and Ledbetter believes it's going to take a community-wide effort.
Working on neighborhood watch programs, they've sort of diminished over time for various reasons, and I think those are important to bring back. We have to increase our patrol. You're looking at small numbers within the sheriff's office, and until you really grow the officers on the streets, you're going to continue to have these issues.
Just the coverage of patrol cars in an area, that's one thing. To get the word out, to have citizens double check the locks on their car doors to make sure they're not leaving valuables in vehicles overnight, because unfortunately there are those that are attracted to those cars and look in windows and try to steal those valuables.
Blocker calls for drug initiatives to help diminish dealers targeting homes.
People are stealing to provide, to purchase narcotics. We need to get our narcotics task force back on the streets, but also we need to get more boots on the ground. We need less supervisors at the sheriff's department and more people out patrolling the neighborhoods. And I'm going to put my cell phone number on the sheriff's department's website. So when you want to talk to the sheriff, you can call and actually speak to me.
With the primaries next week, candidates share why they're vying to be Jackson County Sheriff.
I have 36 plus years of law enforcement experience. I've got 10 years with the FBI, and I took and run our task force for 6 years, and just a tremendous amount of experience.
I've spent my entire life growing up in the sheriff's office. Started there in '95 in the youth patrol, and I grew from there. I've spent my career going through the different divisions of the sheriff's office, getting a good understanding, and actually working with the citizens in the county.
I've spent my entire career, 27 years with the sheriff's office. I've worked for some good bosses and some bad bosses. I've grew up within the sheriff's department. I know how it operates. I've worked every area of this county as a patrol officer, as a supervisor.
The county where I was born and raised, I love Jackson County, and I want to continue serving Jackson County. I think I'm the best candidate because of the career path that I've been afforded the past 22 years in law enforcement.
In Jackson County, Stephanie Poole, WLOX News Now.